Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will be showing you how to make Ube Flavored Donuts. Have you used Ube flavor in your cakes, cookies, or other desserts? Let us know in the comments below. Ube is a purple yam that has a slightly nutty and vanilla flavor. Its flavor and color have made it a popular addition to desserts such as ice cream, cookies, brownies, and more. Here at our store, we offer this flavor as an emulsion and a flavored crumb, both of which will be used to decorate and flavor these donuts. To learn more about us, be sure to watch until the end of the video. Let's get started. Start by mixing the donut batter. For this recipe, mix the dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. Then, in a liquid measuring cup, mix the wet ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of ube emulsion to the wet ingredients and mix well. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry and mix. Make sure all of the ingredients are incorporated and that there are no lumps in your batter. Mix this batter at a low speed and just until the ingredients are incorporated, so that the batter is not overmixed. Fill a piping bag with the batter mixture. This will make it easier and less messy when filling the donut pan. Spray the donut pan with a non-stick spray, then fill each cavity 3/4 full. Bake the donuts at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Once they are baked, allow them to cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer them to a cooling rack. If you have more donuts to bake after the first batch, be sure to spray the pan before filling it again. While the donuts are baking and cooling, mix and color the glaze. To make the glaze, measure 2 cups of powdered sugar into a bowl. Then, add 5 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream in 2 tablespoon increments and stir between each addition. At this point, the icing should be very thick. Gradually add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water until the icing has reached a runny consistency. Once the icing is mixed, add a drop of purple gel food color. The icing is ready for dipping and can be set aside until the donuts have cooled. The last step before dipping the donuts is to prepare any decorations, as they need to be added immediately after the donut has been dipped in the icing. I will be adding these Ube Yum Crumbs to the top of my donuts. These crumbs come as a pinkish purple color, but the color is often altered by the light, as you can see here in this second jar. If your Yum Crumbs have been altered by the light, or if you want to change the shade of color, use the following technique. Add about half a cup of these crumbs to a separate container, then add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of periwinkle luster dust by Sugar Art. Stir the luster dust and crumbs together with a paintbrush. Continue adding small amounts of dust until you have reached your desired color. Now I am ready to dip and decorate the donuts. Set up a half-sheet pan lined with a piece of parchment paper, then place a cooling rack on top. This setup will allow the icing to drip down the donut instead of pooling at the bottom. The tray lined with parchment will catch all of the excess icing and allow for easy cleanup. Place the bowl of icing close to this tray and stir well. This will ensure the top layer does not have a film and that all of the ingredients are incorporated. Be sure to have your colored yum crumbs ready to go. Dip the top half of a donut into the icing, then gently shake off the excess and place on the cooling rack. Immediately sprinkle the icing with the yum crumbs. This step needs to be done after dipping 1 to 3 donuts so the icing does not form a crust before adding the decorations. Continue these steps until all of the donuts have been dipped and decorated. This amount of icing will cover 15 to 18 3-inch donuts, and about half to 3/4 of a cup of yum crumbs are needed to decorate this size of donut. Allow the icing on the donuts to set up for 20 to 30 minutes before handling and/or stacking. Serve these donuts immediately or refrigerate for up to 3 days. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. During this video, I showed you how to make an ube flavored cake donut, and this flavor can also be used in a yeast donut. Comment below and let us know which type of donut is your favorite to make and eat. If you want to see more videos like this one, check out the Miscellaneous Desserts playlist on our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products and check out our stories for upcoming projects. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.